Hello all, welcome back to all of you in Python series. In today's video we are going to cover how to take input from user. In previous video we directly assign some value to our variable, right? But in today's video we'll see how to take input from the user, right? So for this, in Python we have one function called input, with the help of which you can get the input from the user. Okay, and this input function always take input as a string, right? So let's jump to the screen and just take one value from the user. Okay, so input is the function through which we can get the value from the user. I just write enter the value. Okay, now I just run this program. You can see there is one statement on the program, enter the value of a, and you can see my code is still running, so it is waiting for one input from the user. So I just give 10. Now my code is finished, right? So with the help of this input function we can get the input from the user. As I said, this input function will always return a string type of value. Let's check print how we can check the type of any variable with the help of type function, right? So we can use type function here, type of a, right? I just run the program again. I just 12. You can see this is the string function, right? So how to convert this string to an integer, right? So here we need to do typecasting if we are working on the integer types of data. So how to do typecasting? For this we have one function called int. Okay, with the help of this we can convert this string to an integer. Now run this program. See, enter the value of 10. Now here you can see class is integer. Okay, let's line basis create one simple program, integer. Run this program, enter the value of 10, enter the value of 20, class integer. I need to perform some operation here. So C equals to A plus B, right? Now print C. Enter value of 10, 20, outcome is 30. Okay, so with the help of this input function we can get the input from the user, and this input function always return a string value, right? So if you want to work on the integer data type, then you have to use, or you have to typecast this string to integer, right, with the help of int function, right, as we have done here. So with the help of this int function we have converted this string into integer, right? Okay, so that's it from this video. Thanks a lot, bye bye. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and click on the likes button, and please do share this video or this channel with your friends and colleagues. Thanks a lot, bye bye.